Yeah, it's out there. It's out there. Big way. The Braves will sell this is a Mo story, isn't it?
This is a Mo story.
Mo from whatever vacation he's on.
He's on the beach.
He's still updating us on what matters to him. Braves will sell a $151 burger at Truist Park during the 2022 MLB season. $151 burger. That's going to have to be something really special. A Wagyu beef patty with cage-free, pan-fried eggs, gold-leafed wrapped foie gras, grilled cold water lobster tail, heirloom tomato, Tillamook cheddar cheese, and truffle aioli on a toasted buttered bun served with Parmesan waffle fries.
Wow.
$151. That is going to be quite an experience.
Yes.
I don't think you're biting it, though. I'm looking at a picture of it right now. I feel like you got to pull out a couple utensils.
Yeah, it's very high.
You got lobster on there, man. You got gold leaf wrapped foie gras. Look at it.
Lobster tail.
Look at it.
They skimped out on the bun, though. Come on.
What are you going to do with the bun?
You gotta bathe it in,
What do you got to do with it?
Unicorn butter or something. It's just like a regular.
You're talking about cage-free unicorns?
Yes.
You're talking about organic unicorn?
Of course.
Yeah. I guess this is one way to enhance the experience of going to the ball game, but for me, it just doesn't really feel like a baseball game type of food. It's just a little too fancy for me.
Yeah.
But listen, I don't know. Maybe you're one of these people, you go to the game all the time and you need a way to mix it up and you need to have something new every year.
Mm-hmm. Maybe sitting at the booth.
Yeah, you just you're just saying, you know what? I'm gonna have an experience right now. Anyway,
is that a Dave Chappelle reference?
I don't know. Is it
with his latest comedy special with the trans?
I didn't watch it, so I don't think if it is, then it's not even subconscious. Yeah. It's unconscious.
Yeah.
Anyway, scroll down. Why is it $151? The 151 is a nod to the organization's 151-year existence. The Braves began as the Boston Red Stockings back in 1871. And I guess they moved to Atlanta at some point. Wow. Look at this. If you want to add $25,000 to your bill, you can get the burger with an actual World Series ring.
What?
Oh my God.
You can just buy those?
That's an Instagram post.
What?
I don't know. For 25 grand? I don't know, man. Well, it's like a replica. It wouldn't be personalized like how it is for the real players, right? The players have their number on it, and each one is custom. Yours would be a bit more generic, but you want to talk about having an experience. You get the $151 burger, and then you get a World Series ring on the side. Good Lord. Yeah.
Well, that sounds delicious.
There you go,